Hi guys, and welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today we are making this very simple Toogbei puff puff or Bofrot recipe with just a few ingredients. You can enjoy this street food at home. Stay with me. In my bowl, I have some all-purpose flour. So I'll leave the measurements in the description box so you can check it out and tweak it according to how many pieces you want, okay? I went in with some sugar and instant yeast and salt. And I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together first. And then I'll go ahead to add in the wet ingredients. So my wet ingredient is just warm water. I'll add that very soon. But in the meantime, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi and this is my kitchen taste and bloom. Please do me a favor by subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I would like to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And as always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which is very important to the promotion of my videos. So give me a like, okay? Leave a comment down below and share this video once you're done watching. So once I've received my perfect consistency, I'll cover my bowl with cling film and add a kitchen napkin and place this in a warm place for about 30 minutes to allow my dough to rise. So we are back. My dough has risen nicely. I'm going to take out a bit of the air from it and then I'll go ahead and fry. Make sure your oil is hot, okay? Let me just take this pause to tell you why I shot this video. So a while back, I made Tom Brown puff puff for the boys, okay? And my husband decided to tear jealousy. He's like, hey, I said that I'm making this Tom Brown puff puff for the boys. It's not like he didn't eat some, he ate some. But then he was like, okay, me dear, I want the very authentic one. So I was like, say no more, I got you. So this was a very simple recipe I put together and it came out so good. Okay, so I hope you're going to try this. You just need a few ingredients and you're good to go. So fry till you're okay with how brown is looking. Some people like it darker, some people like it lighter, whatever rocks your boat, go along with it, okay? So my puff puff, my Bofrot, my Toogbei is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. Do give me feedback if you do, and always remember to keep blooming.